Hello, everyone. Welcome to the English podcast, Learn English Today podcast. I am Sarah.
And I am John. Today, we will talk about daily routines.
A daily routine is what you do every day.
Yes, it is your usual day. Let's start from morning.
In the morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Then I brush my teeth.
I wake up at 6:30. I wash my face and get dressed.
After that, I have breakfast. I usually eat eggs and bread.
I like cereal and milk for breakfast.
Next, I go to work or school.
I work at a small company. I start work at 8:30.
In the afternoon, I take a break. I drink water and walk outside.
I also take a short walk. It helps me rest my eyes.
After work, I go home. I cook dinner or eat out.
I watch TV or read a book.
Before sleeping, I brush my teeth again.
I also wash my face and say goodnight to my family. Finally, I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
That's our daily routine. Every day is a little different, but some parts are the same.
Thank you for listening. See you next time for more English tips.